Ladies and gentlemen, let us marvel this grand spectacle of phenomenal and empowered women who are ready to niche their own mark in the historical annals of this Sunshine City. This is Miss Laoag City Pamulinawen 2024 Coronation Night.
I am a strong candidate to be.
I am the most qualified to be. I believe I am the next.
I am thrilled of becoming the next.
I am destined to be.
I am the best candidate to be. I can be the next.
I should be the next.
I should be.
I am the best candidate to be.
I should be the next.
I am the new.
I have what it takes to be the next.
I should be the next.
I am the most qualified to be.
I am destined of becoming the next.
From the beautiful Sunshine City of Laoag, home of the iconic and historical Sinking Bell Tower and the 112,586 beautiful Laoagueños. The 2024 edition of Miss Laoag Pamulinawen. Your host, CJ Reyes, with live performances from DJ Angelo, Mark Vincent Antonio, and the Laoag City Tanok Dancers. Together with Miss Laoag City Pamulinawen 2023, Marnia Lorden Tayamen. Coming to you live from the Ilocos Norte Centennial Arena, presenting 16 remarkable Laoagueñas accompanied by the Misters of Laoag City.
Miss Laoag City Pamulinawen 2024.
What are you looking at?
are 16 equally beautiful candidates competing for this year's Miss Laoag City Pamulinawen 2024. Starting off with candidate number 1.
Merry Chris Corpus, 22, Ilocos Norte Water District. Shanti Kibuyen, 20, representing Sadiri T. Laoag.
Ruth Ariane Remillo, 20, representing Berg and Go.
Althea Alcanzaran, 18, ME Shopping Center.
Stephanie Mateo, 18, Double K Computers Retail Services.
Crystal Faith de la Cruz, 24, 4J Carnival and Amusement.
Beatrice Emily Valera Malong, 19, District 1 Supercode.
Anathea Bayudan, 22, Northwestern University.
Julian Sin, 23, Nenry Rochelle Mobility Station, Laoag, Barrett.
Trisha May Boroga, 20, Clifford Coros Pasalon.
Rian Carlitera, 18, Ilocos Norte College of Arts and Trades.
Teresa Dana Dames, 18, Casa Cayu.
Tobilo Magip, 23, Sisig Pare.
Venus Fernandez, 23, L Construction and Development Group.
Army Valerie de Laheb, 22, JFK Tiles and Stone Builders.
Infinity Lao, 18, Ilocos Norte National High School.
Let us keep the competition on fire with exquisite performance, exceptional physical features, and elegant parade of sizzling wear of our candidates in their dazzling and revealing swimwear. Joining them is DJ Angelo. This is Miss Laoag City Pamulinawen 2024 Swimsuit Competition.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miss Laoag City 2024. Make some noise, everybody! Come on!
I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how our bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. Shoot show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't start caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time.
Candidate number 4, Altea Alcanzaren, representing MA Shopping Center.
I'm all good already.
Make some noise, everybody.
It's scary. I'm not where you left me at all. So if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody, if you wanna believe that anything can stop me, don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't start caring about me now. When you take the night, I'll have release it.
Candidate number 5, Stephanie Di Matteo, representing Double K Computer.
Morning music real loud. Let me love you while the moon is still out. Something in you lit up heaven in me. The feeling won't let me sleep, 'cause I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel. One kiss is all it takes, falling in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes, falling in
Candidate
love
number
with me.
6, Crystal Faith A. De La Cruz, representing 4J Carnival and Amusement.
I just wanna feel your skin on mine, feel your eyes do the exploring. Passion in the message when you smile. Take my time, it's something in you lit up heaven.
Candidate number 7, Beatrice Emily V. Malo, representing District 1
'Cause I'm
Supermall.
lost in the way you move, the way you feel. One kiss is all it takes, falling in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes, falling in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you need.
Candidate number 8, Anatea P. Bayudan, representing Northwestern University.
Words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. The way that booty moves it, I can't take no more. Had to stop what I'm doing so I can pull her close. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. Damn girl.
Candidate number 9, Julian Nicole Sin, representing Henry Shell Mobility Station, Laoag, Bari.
What you got, boy, is hard to find. I think about it all the time. I'm all strung out, my heart is fried. I just can't get you off my mind. 'Cause your love is my drug. Your love so your love is my drug. Your love.
Candidate number 10, Trisha May Baroga, representing Clifford Gorospe Salon.
In my dreams, I'm looking down every alley. I'm making those desperate calls. I'm staying up all night hoping, hitting my head against the wall. What you got, boy, is hard to find. I think about it all the time. I'm all strung out, my heart
won't stop. Got her in the cockpit playing with this. Now watch me make a movie like Albert Hitchcock. Enjoy me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. Ella quiere su rumba, rumba, ella quiere su rumba,
Candidate number 14, Vino Fernandez, representing L Construction and Development Group.
Cause I may be bad, but I'm perfectly good. In the air, I don't care, I love the smell of it. Stones may break my bones, but blazing with excitement. Come on, come on, come on, I like it, come on, come on, come on, I like it, come on, come on, come on, I like it, come on, come on, come on.
1, 2, 3.
Candidate number 15, Army Valerie D. Lahi, representing JFK Tile and Stone Builders.
Days like this, I want to drive away. Pack my bags and watch your shadow fade.
Candidate number 16, Infinity M. Lao, representing Ilocos Norte National High School.
You took my life, you drained me down. That was then, and this is now. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, this is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, throw your sticks and your stones, throw your bombs and your blows, but you're not gonna break my soul. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No. Find out who is really there for me. You ripped me off, your love was cheap, was always down. Thought it seems I fell deep, you let me down. That was bad, and this is now. Look at me, this is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, this is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, throw your sticks and your stones, throw your bombs and your blows, but you're not gonna break my soul. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No.
Good evening, Laoag City. There are the 16 stunning candidates. And now, let's welcome our host for tonight, Mr. CJ Reyes.